So hello and welcome guys to this brand new video, and this video is going to be one of the best video of this channel because in this video we are going to perform the man in the middleware attack, which is strictly for educational purpose, and I will show you step by step practical demonstration of this complete attack. So what can we do is, if we have a router and any device is connected to that router, then you can access the information in between those router and the device. For example, if a person is logging into a unsecured or HTTP website, then we can intercept the username and password from them. We can also see which websites are they visiting. We can also monitor the packets that they are exchanging with the router. So let's get started. So before starting, I would like you to clarify this nicely, that this you should be performing on your own environment and you should not be performing it for any illegal use, because this video is just for educational purpose and strictly for the own setup environment. So let's get started. First of all, we will need a Wi-Fi adapter and a Kali Linux operating system. So in Kali Linux, I have inserted my adapter, here you can see, and I have connected my adapter to the Wi-Fi network. Since my adapter is connected to my Wi-Fi network, we are all set to go for the attack. So let me open our terminal here. Now the terminal has been opened. Now let me expand it a bit. So in the terminal, we are going to launch a Bettercap interface. For that, the command will be like this, and I will hit enter. I will enter the password for administrator, and here our command has been successfully processed. Now we will need another. Here is the command, which is net.probe on. So I will hit enter. After this, it will search for something like this. It will show the IP address of the device connected. So let me wait. And if you are wondering which device is this IP address showing, then it is of that exact Wi-Fi network that I am connected to, which is AP2. So it is currently showing the list of devices that are connected to this AP2. These two devices, which are actually mine devices, because I have already mentioned that you should do it on your own environment and for educational purpose only. So our next command will be this. So I may not be able to show all the commands here because it will go against the YouTube guidelines. So I will blur out some commands. If you want to practice it or do it on your own environment, then you can search for the commands online. So here I have entered the command and it is showing me the devices that are connected to my Wi-Fi network, which is this. These two devices are connected to my Wi-Fi network, so I can intercept the data from this Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to try this on my mobile device, which is this one, and we can see the MAC address as well as the IP address of my device. So let me copy this IP address because we will need it right now. So the next command is, so this is our next command, and here I have to enter the actual IP address, that is. So here I have entered the command and I'm going to hit enter. Now after enter is hit, we need some small two commands, next commands, that is, first one is this and next is. So after hitting this command, it will automatically start monitoring all the activities of my mobile devices. So I would like to uh, show you with my mobile device. So in my mobile devices, let me go to a browser, Brave, and if I go to the browser Brave, you may also see at the background in the screen that a request for the Brave browser might show in these logs. So let me wait, it is showing. Let me again reload any site. So for example, I am going to log into this router site. So here you can see I have entered into this login ASP page, which is 192.168.0.1, and it is showing these logs that I have connected to this this website. So even if I go to another website like youtube.com, so let me go here. Here it is showing that I have just visited youtube.com. So it works like this. And wait, if I, so if I go to another website like speed test, let me go to speed test to test my internet. So it is showing that it is I am visiting to speed test, and it is also showing me the cookies details. So our main thing is I am going to the Wi-Fi router page, and here you can see that my router page is not secure. That is it is not HTTPS. Since it is HTTP, then HTTP is considered weak security, and it cannot be that strong, and we can intercept the ID or password from here. So here my username is admin, and let me hit the password, as I will enter the wrong password first. That is 123456. So when I hit enter, and the password did not work, but actually the password that I have entered here is now visible. Here you can see the username and the password that I have entered. So the credentials that I have entered from my mobile has been intercepted from this attack. So I will enter the correct password this time. So I will click on OK. So when I clicked on this OK, then here it showed that the password that I just entered was admin6103, which is the correct ID and password for my router. So in this way this works, and I hope this video helped you gain certain insight and knowledge about the man in the middleware attack, and I hope you will use this knowledge responsibly and just for educational purpose. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.